Alright, a bit later than what I wanted, but we're heading off to Kulen Waterfall. See how that goes. Last thing I'm doing, a bit of organising. Someone wanted to sleep in, went out last night. Just done a bit of people watching, had a giggle, got told off. Everybody looks at me, oh, that old man sitting there drinking beer all night. No, I don't drink beer much. But I did sit there and watch after we had dinner and watch the goings on. Anyway, we'll get going.
Well, as you heard, we're just going to take off on a little road trip to the Kulen Mountains waterfall. Well, you just heard me have a little bit of a suki about some tourists who I thought were being a bit disgusting and disrespectful by having food, chewing on it and spitting out onto the ground what they didn't like. I couldn't stay there any longer, so I got up and left. But anyway, this is a turn by turn. I'm not going to bore you with all the turns and left to rights and all that. I did make one boo-boo, but from here we're just going to make our way out of Siem Reap, then get on the highway. I did speed up a few sections.
Had to leave. Other tourists turned up there from a different country, and there was a few of them, males of course. Bit of a disrespect going on. Sat down, they ordered a shit ton of food and everything. That's fine. But it's what they were doing after they were eating what they didn't like. They were spitting it on the ground, which I disagree with. So I ended up having to leave. One just got a bit overboard. But anyway, went up there, watched a few other things. So it was a quiet walk around and have a look-see. Just got to follow these directions to get out. Setting up a little local market by the looks of it. Wi-Fi, off cafe. You want to drink now at the cafe? Back there. Yes, no. You want a drink or not? Oh, we'll get going.
money. What I will say right at this point now is when you come to the Kulen Mountains, make sure you have cash. Cash is better, cash is king, cash is easy. Wi-Fi with the AVA account or anything like that is very sketchy. It will work, but it's so slow. So just be aware, bring cash. It is $20 per foreigner to get in there. Locals free, of course. And just be aware, from here on, it does get interesting.
Next time, not do that. Anyway, to put money outside.
Well, why don't you fucking make sure you remind me to have money for out of here? No, you don't. Tell you, shit me all the time.
Yep, we're here now. Just noticing I'm gesturing to the security guard and he just talks too much. But anyway, this is the end of part 1. Yeah, you can see there. And the interesting part's yet to come, going up the mountain. Not for the faint-hearted. Anyway, till the next one, catch ya.